7 tips to grow your social media as an artist. I am sure that you have noticed that maybe it's not that easy to grow your social media. Maybe it's very hard. Maybe you need a lot of frequency. Yes. And in this video, I will give you 7 tips that I have learned about social media as an artist to help you champ. Number 1, you gotta have the ability or the creativity in a trendy topic, no matter what it is. I'm gonna be harsh on this, okay? Yeah, trending work. That's why people don't trend stuff, because it works. Why go away from what it works? Why? It works. You can choose between, or you have a high ability drawing and your drawings are like, wow. Or you have a high ability in the creativity field. Like you drew a character doing something that anyone, when they look at your artwork, they know that character, they go like, someone drew that character doing that. That's amazing. It can be the example of someone that drew a very realistic and detailed, the ability, detailed battle between 2 characters, and the second one that just drew the character as a goose, and that's cute. That's cute. How not leave a like for the cute goose or for the epic battle fight? You gotta choose which one you're going more into. Of course, you can have both at the same time, but always remember, try to keep in mind like, hey, how am I going to gather more attention? I'm going to the creativity, haha, or I'm going more into the haha, look at this ability, incredible, wow, lasagna. So, number 2, make tests. I need you to test different social medias and see which one gives you more return. That's right. I need you to go to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, For Affinity, DeviantArt, ArtStation, whatever the freak it is. I want you to go and post for at least 1 month or on which one of those and see which one you're getting more talk, more views, more shares. Just to see which one your niche, your type of art is more well accepted, more welcomed. That's important. As for me, as an example, my art is a lot well welcomed on YouTube. But I won't deny that recently Instagram has been receiving my art very well. Very, very well. Another example would be DeviantArt. In the past, it used to receive my art so well. And now it's like, So, make the test and see where the water is hot, okay? Where it's like, ooh, nice, and where it's like, ooh, it's cold. Very important. And don't be shy to post on many social medias. My strategy is just going shoot on all of them, but I will shoot more on my main ones, like YouTube, like Instagram. The main ones I will post more. But in others like DeviantArt or ArtStation, I just go like every once in a while. There. Because you gotta choose where our energy is going to be. In the ones that give you more or in the ones that don't give you so much back. Big brain move. Now, number 3. Have a niche. Of course, you can just go and post a My Little Pony art today, and after that you go into a Bob Esponja full artwork, and then you go into Game of Thrones, and then you go into The Witcher 3, and then you go... You can. Okay, I'm saying very, very different topics. I'm not saying as if you uploaded stuff that's normally pretty much a fandom alike. As example, Baldur's Gate, and then you post like The Witcher. Both are game stuff, so the chances of you getting a lot of good stuff is high. Or Has Been Hotel, and then you posting something about Hello the Boss or about games, the chances of fans of Has Been Hotel also being gamers is very high, because they're all adults and pretty much millennials and Gen Z, so they love gaming. I love gaming so much. That's it, pretty much. Have a niche, because once you have a niche, you're gonna notice that you need to think as your follower and how your follower is going to think.
I like this artwork. I want to see more of this type of art, so I will leave a like and follow.
Do you see what I just did here? Your follower gonna follow you because they believe you're gonna post more stuff that way. Imagine that you are, I'm gonna give an extreme example, okay? You are a not safe for work artist, and then you start just posting cute cute artwork. Just cute. Everything safe, family friendly. You stop posting the not safe for work. The chances of you losing your followers and them not interacting with your post, which is the most important thing, sharing, commenting and everything, etc., it's very high. Why? They were already expecting a certain thing. And you go there, break that and go like, no, I will not do that. Remember your audience, your following base, they trust you. They trust you to keep being what you're doing there. Keep doing what you're doing. It's always good to go and try different stuff. I want you to try different stuff. But always remember that the most, there gotta be a pattern. You choose what the pattern is, but there gotta be a pattern, okay? There gotta be a pattern. In my case, right now, the pattern is very strong buff man. But I'm starting to slowly go more into gaming fan arts, gaming and series fan arts, very slowly. Whenever you're changing from a niche to another niche, change slowly, very slowly. Like in 2 months, I will only post 1 human fan art. In more 2 months, maybe another one. It's a whole process to get your fan base like, that's fine, I like it. And maybe they don't like and they will leave, but most will be like, that's fine. Have a niche. That's very important. Number 4. For the pros, for everyone that wants to work with art. This is not like maybe. This number 4 is like, it's real. You gotta do that. It's not like optional. No, you gotta do that. Ads. Paid ads. You gotta do that. I thought I could do that only on organic. Organic is when you are only sharing and posting your stuff. Not anymore. Not anymore. I mean, if you want to get some kind of crazy workaholic moment and maybe be one of the 0.00001 that make it through pure organic, go out there, do that. I am not the one that is going to do that. I prefer to work hard on my commissions, get some money back, and then use that on paid ads on Instagram, on Facebook, and I'm starting to study more on YouTube, Google Ads. You don't need a lot. You truly don't need a lot. You could even do like an ad for like $1 in a day, like literally $1. I don't know if there is that option outside of Brazil. Maybe that it would be $10. I don't know, but you can do that for a very low and cheap amount, like very, very low. And it will show for people that already enjoy the type of thing that you are doing. So yeah, why the hustle? Of course you gotta post it. But if it's taking just like it took for me 4 hours almost every day to post, maybe you should do other stuff with your life. I believe your life is more available than going crazy and posting all the time. Okay, your life is more available. And don't forget, okay, this is very important. Don't forget to use a social media manager. You need to use a social media manager. There are free ones. I don't remember the name. Buffer is the name. Yes. Okay, so there is also like example Buffer, which lets you already schedule your art, which your social medias are going to post for free. There's a free plan. There's other ones like Later and Sprout Social, Social Pilot, and Hootsuite and HubSpot. There's so many. But I'm using Buffer on Twitter as example, and another one called MLabs, but that one is paid. But there's so many ways you gotta post your art. That's no joke. You gotta post your art and use a schedule, because if you go every day entering there, do you know how many times you're gonna get distracted by a specific post that you love, and you're gonna laugh, and then you're gonna see the stories, and then you're gonna see some videos, and then 1 hour passed, and then 2 hours passed, and then you're like, damn, I didn't work at all. We don't want that. Please use a social media management tool that is for free. Why you're not using for working professionally with social media? You already have all the week, all the month, all the time you want scheduled. I do that, and also pay for ads. If you're professional already going, okay, only if you're already going, not for everyone. Not for everyone. This tip is not for everyone. Only if you're already going, pay for ads. There's literally no escape. There is no escape from that. And now let's go for the next one, number 5. Funny short videos related to your niche. As an example, I draw a very buff man as the main of my niche right now. What if I just went there, made a funny video of me doing like a pose strong, and then I made a sound that just changed and then appeared my artwork in the same pose? That would be so cool. Like there's a commission that I did in specific pose. I do the pose, and then transition, and then tada, my artwork. Wow, that's a great video. It would get a lot of people interested because my followers already expect me to post strong or muscle related stuff. Always understand what your follower is waiting from you. No, you don't need to always pleasure your follower, but just understand, keep that in the back of your mind. That's what they are here for, right? And if I don't ever post that, they will get out, right? Ah, they will get out. Oh, so they have the free will to just get out if they don't like. And of course, topics related to your main niche is going to get you very far away. And by the way, I said funny short videos because it's so important for you to not only have the image format uploaded in your social media, but also the format of videos. Guys, there is no running from it. Videos are here to stay. You gotta upload on video. I don't care if you gotta pick your image, put in a video format .mp4 and upload that. That's going to be the way, okay? That's going to be the way. Number 6. See what your audience wants more, just like we were talking before. See what type of people follow you. You can go and post what you enjoy, but remember, it gotta be like a skill tree. Like one branch is taken to another branch. So if you're already posting anime girls or game fan art, any type of thing, you gotta think, what is related to anime girls? What if I post magical girls? An art of magical girls, nice. What if I post Final Fantasy girls? It's still nice, it's still in the topic. Let's go to games. What if I post about this new game? What if I post about this old but very relevant game? Always try to stay a little bit and you go from there. From there, okay, you start to get far away from your niche. Far away and far away. And so you can test again the water and see, oh, maybe I went too far away, maybe I didn't went too far away. And I'm saying all of this on the social media perspective, on the professional perspective. I'm not saying in the heart or emotional way. This is nothing related to don't draw what you enjoy. No, no way. The focus of this video is, do you want to grow your social media? Do this. If you want to grow your social media, you do this. And of course, you can still draw all the stuff that you enjoy. No one's stopping you. Do you know how many Hades 2 fan art I have in my computer? You don't know how many Hades 2 and Hades 1 I have in my computer. It's insane. I have 6 fan arts, all of them unfinished, and I will finish once I play a little bit more of Baldur's Gate. I love my life. I do. I can say that proudly. I love my life. I play a lot. So let's go to this last one, but not least. Number 7. Understand this is something serious and you need to have an analytical view and not a haha funny likes, haha, because if you go for the haha funny likes, the chances of you getting frustrated and giving up is so high, and you do not want that. So if you have that mentality of being, hey, it's serious, I'm gonna focus on that, I'm gonna study. Have you ever tried to study social media? Have you ever tried to study and search for social media marketing? Have you ever, like ever? Because I promise you, champs, right now, today, in this year, this past few years, I study more social media marketing than I study drawing. I repeat, I study more marketing than drawing. In the start of my journey, I used to study more drawing, and then it was drawing and marketing at the same level. And now, no, it's much more marketing than drawing. Guys, no matter the ability, the incredible ability that you have, if you don't know how to share it online, you will fail. You will. And we don't want that. That's why I gave you all of these tips, and I want you to take them seriously, because that's not for me, because I'm already using them. It's for you, to help you in your journey. Maybe you just want to grow because you want to grow as a hobby, or maybe you want to grow this as a serious professional stuff. No matter which one it is, take it serious and study. Studying, understanding that you need to improve your abilities, understanding that maybe the way you're doing stuff is not the best way, getting humbled, like, hey, maybe I don't have all the answers. Maybe the way that I'm doing stuff is wrong. Have you ever thought about it? Maybe the way you're doing stuff is wrong. I needed to face that reality so many times, and I wanted to face that. Things can work. You can grow your social media. It's not a 7-head hydra trying to kill you. I promise you, once you study that a lot, things get much easier. You're amazing, champs. All the love, all the peace, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Wanna be with me teaching you art, me being your mentor? Link in the description, not only for my art course and platform, but also for my mentorship. See you next one. Mwah. Bye bye. You're amazing, champ.